We live in a world full of noise, distractions, and constant stimulation. It can be easy to feel lost, overwhelmed, or disconnected from ourselves. But what if the answer to finding clarity and peace lies not in doing more, but in doing less? What if the key to unlocking deeper understanding and personal transformation is simply to sit in stillness? Meditation isn't just about quieting your mind, it's about creating space for true self-awareness. In a society that often values productivity over presence, meditation is a radical act of reclaiming your own energy. It's a conscious choice to slow down and listen, not just to your thoughts, but to the deeper, more subtle layers of your being. In this stillness, you can tap into wisdom that transcends the surface-level chaos of everyday life. When you meditate, you allow yourself to connect with your soul's true rhythm. It's in these moments of silence that you can hear your intuition, your true desires, and your higher purpose. You're not just reducing stress, you're enhancing your ability to navigate the complexities of life with clarity and understanding. And that's the real power of meditation.
I suggest we all meditate.
You see, it's not about stopping the flow of thoughts. It's about observing them without attachment. It's about training your mind to become the observer, not the participant. By doing this, you create a profound sense of inner peace that radiates outward, transforming not just how you view the world, but how the world views you. Among its many benefits, meditation enhances our relationships by helping us respond with kindness instead of reactivity. It cultivates patience, allowing us to face challenges with a calm heart rather than bristling at small frustrations. Research also shows that emotional resilience grows as we learn to witness feelings without being overwhelmed, giving us a stable foundation to navigate stress. By strengthening your ability to focus, you'll notice clearer thinking and heightened creativity at work, bringing a sense of calm productivity to every task. Meditation gives you the gift of presence, allowing you to truly experience each moment. It's the difference between living life on autopilot and truly living with full awareness of every sensation, every thought, and every emotion. It opens you up to deeper insight, to a more profound connection with the world around you, and, most importantly, with yourself.
It's about connection with your innermost self.
So ask yourself, what could happen if you took just a few minutes each day to sit in stillness? What could you uncover about yourself, about your purpose, and about the world? Meditation isn't just a practice. It's a doorway to a more awakened, more connected life.